एंड एक्शन।
हे ओहो हो, क्या हाल है बलाश बाबू?
मेरे तो ठीक है। तुम कौन से मूड में चल रहे हो? तुम्हें कौन सी ठंड लग रही है भाई? मफलर
भाई ये ठंड नहीं लग रही है,
भाई ये
बाहर
खुशी
आग
लगी हुई है।
ये खुशी लग रही है। देख रहे हो, फेंक के मारा है लाइप्जिग को भाई साहब कल रात लिवरपूल ने। हफ्ते 10 दिन से तो आवाज मेरी नहीं निकल रही थी गले से, आज जाके फाइनली। ओफो क्या मैच था यार, देखा रात?
हाँ देखा, बिल्कुल देखा।
तू तो बारसा वाला देख रहा होगा।
भाई मैं लिवरपूल को हरवाने के लिए देख रहा था
भाई लेकिन ऐसा हुआ नहीं। लिवरपूल ने कल रात चैंपियंस लीग में लाइप्जिग, इट वाज अ स्टनिंग परफॉर्मेंस। मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि चैंपियंस लीग में जाके ऐसा क्या हो जाता है।
भाई मैच कहाँ था?
मैच बुडापेस्ट।
कितने गेम जीत गए तुम?
हम यार चैंपियंस लीग में कितने गेम के, हम क्वार्टर फाइनल्स में आ गए। अगला मैच
बुडापेस्ट में कितने गेम जीत गए थे?
बुडापेस्ट में हम दोनों मैच जीत गए एक्चुअली, पहला भी 2-0 और कल भी 2-0 एंड फाइनली
भाई उसको अब अपना घर बना दो। फरवरी से अभी तक तुमने एनफील्ड पे 4 गोल मारे हैं।
ये बात तो ठीक है यार, कोई बात नहीं, मैं इसको ढंग से रिपीट लेता हूँ। आई एम जस्ट एंजॉयिंग सम चैंपियंस लीग कंफर्ट राइट नाउ, वार्मथ, और आई डोंट नो, सर्दी अच्छी होती है
कब तक?
यार क्या करें प्रीमियर लीग में, तो प्लेयर्स नहीं छोड़ दिए हैं। वेलकम बैक टू द ओपिनियन फुटबॉल। आई एम हर्ष एंड ऑफ कोर्स
पलाश।
and today we will be looking at the weekend to come and we'll focus on obviously the North London derby first and foremost to begin with. क्या लगता है भाई, आर्सेनल से हो पा रहा है कि टॉटनहम से हो पा रहा है? किसी से हो पा रहा है?
भाई दोनों की परफॉर्मेंस इतनी इनकंसिस्टेंट है जितनी वीएआर की नहीं है। मतलब मैंने अभी रिसेंटली पता चला है टॉटनहम ने 2021 सीजन में 100 गोल मार दिए। मतलब बाकी टीम को जहर खा के मर जाना चाहिए।
All competitions combined, Tottenham
They're
have,
just behind Bayern. Bayern has scored 106 goals and Tottenham has scored 100.
and Jose is a defensive manager यार, come on, Jose के ऊपर सबसे बड़ा लाछन ये है इस समाज में कि he's a defensive manager. Tottenham have already scored 100 goals. It sounds crazy, right? It's pretty much unbelievable. But यार अभी 2-3 मैचेस से प्रीमियर लीग में भी मेरे को तो लग रहा है Tottenham is the form team to an
हाँ
extent.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
And किसको, बर्नली को last week
Crystal Palace.
Crystal Palace and then
4-1.
Burnley before. And Bale has finally found a way. What is Jose doing right? वो आदमी गोल्फ क्यों नहीं खेल रहा है? उसने फुटबॉल खेलना क्यों शुरू कर दिया?
That's what Mourinho has done right. उसको गोल्फ नहीं खेलने दे रहा है।
But Bale किसी की सुनी नहीं आज तक। Mourinho, anyway, Jose is a great man manager. We know that. Jose की मैनेजरियल फिलॉसफी का आई थिंक सबसे की एस्पेक्ट ये रहा है कि मैं एक सेना बनाता हूँ जिसका सेनापति कोई और है लेकिन वो मेरा आदमी है। सो इज दैट व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन? क्या बेल ही वो आदमी है?
नहीं, बेल वो आदमी नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से।
बिकॉज़ वी हैव सीन इट हैपन बिफोर। यूनाइटेड
सेनापति तो उसका केन है।
केन
सेन है। केन नहीं होता टॉटनहम नहीं चलती है।
राइट, हमने पिछले हफ्ते भी जोसे की बात की थी। डू वी बिलीव that Jose is a success now a week on with the kind of goals they're scoring, with the fact that Bale is finally on the football board, if I may, and do we think Tottenham जिस तरह की फॉर्म में वो है, स्पेशली पिछले 3-4 मैचेस से, क्या हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो टॉप 4 के लिए एक्चुअली चैलेंज करने वाले?
यार देखो, फॉर्म तो पिछले 2-3 गेम से आया है।
ओके,
एट द एंड ऑफ द डे प्रीमियर लीग टेबल में वो अभी भी 7th है।
ट्रू।
सो आई वुड जज अ टीम on the whole season.
Okay, but how does it matter if at the end of the season you finish on 4th? How does it matter? But then, anyway, we'll get into the top 4 discussion later. For now, we'll just stick to the North London derby. क्या feel आ रही है यार प्रकाश? What is your prediction for the game?
I think Tottenham is gonna make it. वो दुनिया भर की बस पार्क कर देंगे वहाँ। वो फ्रस्ट्रेट करेंगे आर्सेनल को।
What scoreline are you going for?
I think Bale, Kane and Son तीनों भी फॉर्म में चल रहे हैं। So I think 2-1 to Tottenham.
2-1 to Tottenham. Oh, Amir will not be happy about that.
आमिर की किसको पड़ेगी?
Right, 2-1 to Tottenham. So you're saying they'll follow the same principle? वो अपना आएंगे, बस खड़ी करेंगे वहाँ पे और उस बस को भरने की जगह उसका दरवाजा बंद रखेंगे for as long as possible, and then they'll find a way to play on the counter and score 2 goals.
हाँ बिल्कुल। Arsenal have a weak defense. Everyone knows that.
And they have Xhaka. Never forget. Yeah. We know, right, that form doesn't matter getting into this match or a match of this kind. पहली चीज ये, we understand derbies are different, right? Liverpool, Manchester United, Liverpool, Everton, the North London derby, Arsenal, Tottenham that we are talking about today. क्या फॉर्म से कोई फर्क भी पड़ता है?
आई थिंक पड़ता है यार, गोल मारने के लिए एक वो फॉर्म तो चाहिए होता है. नॉर्थ लंदन डार्बी में, आई नो इट्स अ डार्बी, तो प्लेयर्स सब मोटिवेटेड होंगे. इट वुड बी समथिंग सिमिलर टू व्हाट यू सॉ इन द मैनचेस्टर डार्बी. पीपल विल बी ऑन द फ्रंट फुट, दे विल बी वेरी विजिलेंट अबाउट द थ्रेट्स फ्रॉम द अदर टीम, लेकिन गोल के सामने तो फॉर्म ही आएगा.
अब जैसे ये सीजन तो यार वैसे ही इतना क्या बोलूं राइट, विदाउट फैंस, विदाउट a lot of other things, with war and all the other things, it has been a complicated season. और
सारे पहाड़ एक साथ टूट गए.
या मतलब इतने अपसेट्स तो किसी सीजन में नहीं हुए ना यार, इतने सरप्राइजेस, इतने अपसेट्स, कोई भी किसी को भी हरा दे रहे हैं. टॉटनम 2 मैच बहुत अच्छा खेल के बहुत सारे गोल्स मार के आ रही है. बेल हैज हैड अ से फाइनली. टॉटनम, हैरी केन एंड सॉन, वो पार्टनरशिप तो इट्स ब्रेकिंग ऑल रिकॉर्ड्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू गोल, कंबाइंड गोल्स बाय 2 players, etc, etc. So they are doing their thing, but the reality is they're still 7th. Anyway, jokes later. So Arsenal did not play very bad in the last game, Burnley.
Yeah, I know.
Thank God for Xhaka, right? But otherwise, they did not really play badly. They created enough chances to still win that game. They didn't do it, of course. Lack of clinicalness, whatever, right? But उन सब चीजों का डार्बी पे कभी कोई फर्क पड़ा है? क्या फैंस के ना होने से पहली बार फर्क पड़ सकता है?
Tough question. ऐसे सवाल मत पूछो.
क्योंकि यार डार्बी पे माहौल तो फैंस ही बनाते हैं.
माहौल तो फैंस बनाते हैं, लेकिन एक चीज जो हमेशा डार्बी में होती है वो ब्रैगिंग राइट्स, वो तो कहीं नहीं जा रही. फैंस चाहे वर्चुअली हो या फिजिकली हो, लंदन में आर्सेनल और टॉटनहम आर कंपैरेबली द बिगेस्ट टीम्स, राइट? सो उन दोनों के बीच में नॉर्थ लंदन डार्बी इज अ बिग थिंग, आई नो, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे कुछ नहीं पता कल क्या होगा. होने को एक तरफा मैच भी हो जाएगा, टॉटनहम आके 10 गोल धाए मार देगी, किसी को कुछ नहीं पता.
भाई यार प्रेडिक्शन दे के बहाने नहीं ला सकते यार कि कुछ भी हो जाएगा. नहीं, आपने बोला है 2-1 टॉटनहम.
नो, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, कि
हाँ.
मेरी प्रेडिक्शन तो पास्ट फॉर्म पे ही होगी ना,
राइट?
अब मैं ऑक्टोपस बाबा थोड़ा हूं कि मैं सही बता दूंगा.
ऑक्टोपस बाबा RIP, राइट? आई डोंट थिंक he was especially to the social media channels, I think he was insane. Anyway, and he did get most of those right. So, are we looking at, for the first time probably in a long time, Arteta, yes, Arsene Wenger did what he did, and ever since Arsene Wenger left, Arsenal had those managers who probably didn't fit into the whole cultural setup of Arsenal. And in Mikel Arteta, they have someone from the inside, someone who knows Arsenal probably, or understands the concept. Does that mean, और जोसे का तो मैं बताइए, जोसे तो लड़ाई के मौके ढूंढता रहता है वैसे भी. North London derby is such a comfortable excuse for him. So he understands what this game means, and considering that Mikel Arteta also understands what this game means, a derby is not just about the result, right? It's what that result brings, because it's not always the 3 points. It's so much more than that, right? So because
Arteta is also Team Guardiola. As we know their history.
Is he though? Whatever Guardiola taught him, I don't think Arteta learned it very well. It is, I mean, at least so far, no disrespect though. Anyway, so obviously my prediction for the game is 2-2, and I think eventually we will not find anything to choose between the sides, and Arsenal have their own very, very, how do I put it, very nice sort of a gameplay where they focus on possession-based football. And Tottenham does not want the ball, right? They don't want it. Is that the same way the game is going to be played?
I think, yeah. Mourinho, from the first minute, I think he's going to hold back, probably to send them a few long balls their way. And if Arsenal can deal with it, I think Tottenham will continue to sit back and they'll play on the counter. And they have pretty explosive players on the counter. Bale, Son from the wings, Kane right through the middle. You saw against Crystal Palace, Kane is on top form.
Right. Even Lucas Moura यार क्या खेलता है बाद में यार. I do believe.
I have a feeling कि Gareth Bale इस गेम में स्टार्ट नहीं करेगा. I have a feeling.
And you think?
Because in the press conference, Mourinho ने बोला है, I cannot play Gareth Bale for 90 minutes in every game.
Yeah, that's true.
I think that was a hint.
Yeah, golf course के भी time.
And Lucas Moura is.
Why is Lucas Moura not a regular starter? I fail to understand it. I think he would start in a lot of other teams. He's very fast. He's very skillful. He has a finish on him. He used to score many more goals before he came to English football. Is that the reason? English football?
Oh, I don't think so.
काफी strikers का career तबाह कर चुकी है ये league.
Mourinho भी काफी तबाह कर चुका है।
Soldado याद है? Soldado went from scoring 100 goals a season to scoring nothing for the rest of his life. Lucas Moura यार, क्यों नहीं खिलाते उसको?
भाई I think it's about the other players who are more in form for Mourinho. Bale is playing regularly and he's not getting injured and he's scoring goals.
Right.
But in this match, I think Mourinho would need someone who can run up and down the pitch regularly. I don't think Bale can do that. Lucas Moura will have to do it because he wants playing time.
The defensive part.
Yeah.
So is it like Bale's body doesn't allow him now to do that at this age, or is he like because he's Christian Bale? I mean, because he is Gareth Bale. How do I do it every time? How do I do it every time? Oh my God. Sorry, Christian again. So how does he? I mean, is it like his body can't do it, or his mind? Is it his mind that I'm Gareth Bale and now I just don't do that side of football?
No, I think both Mourinho and Bale himself understand that his body is not functioning at the same rate it was doing 5 to 7 years ago when he was in Madrid, right?
Before he started playing ball.
And he hasn't played that consistently either. अभी तो 3-4 गेम ही हुए ना जिसमें वो कंसिस्टेंटली खेल रहा है, तो अब पता चलेगा कि 7-8 गेम बाद अगर इंजरी हो गई तो फिर ठंडी हो जाएगी.
So you're going for 3 goals in the game. I'm going for 4. Who are the usual suspects? Who are the people we think are more likely to score in this game?
I think defenders from Tottenham are also a big threat for Arsenal because Arsenal's defenders, I don't think they're the best defending set pieces. So I think.
Is it because of the whole zonal marking thing? Do you understand the whole zonal marking thing? Why do it? Because you always leave somebody out. Or is it? And I see a lot of great managers stick to zonal marking for some reason. Klopp used to do that for a long time. And eventually teams like Burnley, teams like West Ham, teams like even Tottenham with their huge centre backs, they can hurt you, right? Isn't it? So I agree, it's a very usual threat. And from Arsenal's team, who do we expect to score? Obviously,
I think the most bright player of the season, Saka, is of course there.
Okay, yeah, Saka.
Saka's there. I mean, he's
also given a rest lately.
Yeah, I think in this game he'll start Smith Rowe also because he knows how Mourinho is going to play. The world knows how Mourinho is going to play.
Yeah.
So he needs that cutting edge, and I think Smith Rowe has that in the final third. He can make that final pass.
Smith Rowe is another one of those players who's come from the Arsenal academy, who's been built up over the last couple of seasons as someone with huge potential. Is it visible to our eye right now? Does he have something special about him?
I think he does. On the ball, he does. As little as we've seen him, I think he has that spark in him. But can he do it consistently? That's a whole different argument.
We know Jose's usual suspects. We know his go-to guys, right? Harry Kane, Son, Bale, even Lucas Moura if he comes off the bench. And then there is his defensive side to the game, right? Is your prediction, for example, because of the reason that Arsenal does not really have enough match winners in their team compared to Tottenham, who probably have?
Yeah, that is one of the reasons, because the most prolific scorer for Arsenal in the past few years has been Aubameyang.
Right.
He hasn't been scoring many goals this season, and the rest of the forward line for Arsenal hasn't been clinical enough. You saw against Burnley also. They reached the final third, playing good football, and then there's an easy tap in, and they miss it. Right. So, and that happened a few times, not just once. Right. So, and they've been a little unlucky also. So, I think a lot of things are playing for Tottenham in this. Looking at the past few games, so based on that, I'm predicting Tottenham is gonna make it.
कल यार तुम लोग को गेम भी था ना शाम को, मैंने सुना.
हाँ भाई.
गए थे खेलने. कैसा रहा?
भाई एकदम बढ़िया खेले. हार क्या है?
ये क्या बात होती है?
भाई बढ़िया खेले. That's one thing. ब्राइटन की तरह खेले थे हम एकदम. बॉल पास करते हुए.
Did you just speak on Pep? Did you just speak on behalf of Mikel Arteta? After the North London derby, बढ़िया खेले, हार गया है.
He's gotten better.
और क्या कह रहा होगा आर्सेनल के बारे में यार? It's very interesting. I can't help myself today, so we'll just do this one thing which you don't normally do. आमिर बता दे यार स्कोर लाइन यार.
Bro, 3-1 to Arsenal.
Expectations. हमारा बजट वैसे ही बहुत कम है यार. रंग बिरंगे पौधे लटकते हैं, पत्ते लटक रहे हैं पीछे यार. कैसी बातें कर रहे हो? What does it mean to win a North London derby? इस मैच के रिजल्ट से, इस मैच को जीतने से क्या it can lead one of these teams to on a certain course and they can still achieve great things before the end of the season. Does that have this possible? We asked the same question about Manchester United last week. So
I think if Tottenham win, I think it opens the door for top 4 race for them because they're thereabouts.
Is Premier League the priority, or is qualifying for the Champions League for Tottenham now easier through the Europa League?
I think they have to focus on the Europa League.
Right, and they're doing exceedingly well in the Europa League.
And Mourinho is an expert in this.
Right.
Winning those competitions, he won it with Manchester United also.
That's true.
Yeah.
अगर आपको लाइफ में एक फुटबॉल मैच जीतना है और जीतना ही जीतना है तो जोसे would be my manager. That's just never going to change.
That's true.
Absolutely, he'll find a way. Right, with just any 10 people, not necessarily footballers. Right. So
And for Arsenal, if they win,
yeah,
they're not going anywhere as such. But
Maybe they'll
I'll
finish
tell
in the
you
top
one
10
small
then.
thing. If Arsenal win and they have played one less game than most of the other teams,
right.
they will be 2 points behind Liverpool with a game in hand.
We are not talking about Liverpool yet.
I'm just giving you that.
2-0 last night. The boys are resting. We should give them a little time.
एक गेम जीते हैं.
जीते हैं यार. जो लोग चैंपियंस लीग में खेल रहे हैं उन्हें आप यूरोपा लीग की टीम से कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. पहली चीज. And we'll win the Champions League this year. Again, it's our tournament. Right. Budapest. Yeah. So, and how do we feel about Arsenal? What if Arsenal wins this game? So it's not really happening. I mean, there is nothing that Arsenal can do right now. Is
Yeah,
that what you
yeah,
meant?
yeah.
कुछ नहीं हो रहा. So they'll
Are they
probably
in any cup competition?
I'm no.
FA Cup?
Nothing is the priority. They are in the FA Cup. Yes.
Yeah.
So
Out again.
क्या हो गया?
कोई बात नहीं. Thank you, Amit. So Arsenal are out, and Amit took a good 10 seconds to tell us that they were out of the FA Cup. They were knocked out of the FA Cup. So anyway,
अब तो जहर खा लेना चाहिए.
Right.
अब क्या बचा है?
Anyway, so guys, that's our take on the North London derby. I hope you had fun, and I hope some of our ideas resonated with yours. Even if they didn't, it doesn't really matter because we are the opinionated right back. So please take care of yourselves.
हम इस चैनल को वैसे opinionated right back क्यों बोलते हैं?
Really, you're asking me this question in the 5th video at the end of the video?
Of course, I had to. Our viewers also have to know, right?
Why are we the opinionated right back? जिंदगी जीने का एक बहुत सरल तरीका है आज के समाज में. अगर आपका ओपिनियन है हर चीज पे है, जैसा कि सबका, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. आप उस ओपिनियन को शेयर कीजिए और बाकी बात देखो. पूरी स्टोरी का सारांश नहीं, नॉट सारांश, मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, कहानी का सार ये है कि मंदिर तो यहीं बनेगा.